Hi, welcome to another tutorial on power and bases. Now in this tutorial we are going to talk about how to present the numbers based on the evaluation in ascending order. So let's start off with an example. Here we have 3 square, 2 cube, 4 square. Actually, let's make that 4 cube. Let's make it 3 to the power 5 and 5 square. Now we have 4 different numbers here, as you can see. So the numbers are all of different bases: 3, 2, 4 and 5. These are all the bases, different bases. And the powers are also different: 5, 3, 3 and 2 on all 4 different bases. Now what we are going to do is we are going to evaluate them. So let's start off with evaluation. Now 3 to the 5, which is the first number, it means that there are 5 threes. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 threes here. Now 3 multiplied by 5, beg your pardon, 3 if multiplied 5 times, or 3 to the power of 5, is 243. So that's 243. Next we have 2 to the power 3, or 2 cube. So what it means is there are 3 2's. So 2 times 2 times 2. We know that 2 times 2 times 2, or 2 cube, is 8. Next we have 4 cube, which basically means there are 4 threes. I beg your pardon. There are 3 4's. So 4 times 4 times 4. The base, which is 4, must be repeated 3 times. Okay, so 4 cube is 64. So we have 64. And finally we have 5 squared, which means the base 5 must be repeated 2 times. So 5 times 5, which is 25. Now let's write them in ascending order. In ascending order, we know the smallest number here is 8. So let's write 8. The second smallest number is 25. So let's put that there next. Third smallest number is our 64, which is that. And fourth, or the largest number here, is 243, and that's the final one. And that's what we mean by writing in ascending order. Now if we wrote the original expression in terms of power in ascending order, we know we would write, let's scroll down a little bit. We know we would write, once again, in ascending order, we would have 2 cube, then 5 square, then 4 cube, and finally 3 to the power 5. Now to calculate something and then representing it in ascending order, we must evaluate the number, and then only then we will be able to tell whether that number, these numbers, which one will be first and which one will be second, which one will be third, fourth, and so on. Well, I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.